Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? The clones are here. Yep, I had to get them. This unit expansion, and yeah, I went with the Phase 2 guys. There's just something about the later on in the Clone Wars with the helmets that look more stormtroopery. I don't know. I just looked at it and went, I like that better than kind of the weird Phase 1 helmets. But I don't know. I know I'm going to get some Phase 1 guys. But I figured, why not? Let's get some heavy weapons in here. And one of the big reasons I wanted this one first, that guy right there. Seriously. You can build him one of two ways. And I have a neat little conversion in mind for him. So let's open this up and take a look at everything. I mean, granted, it's not my original unboxing because I've already done that. As you can tell, the plastic wrap is off. I wanted to take a look in here and make sure everything was there. Especially if you guys remember my Captain Rex video. Did you guys short me on bases? No, okay. I really wanted to make sure it had bases. So I think that's cool that I got them this time around. Alright, so every time you're going to get one of these, now granted, Rex was bagged up, which I thought was interesting that I got two Rexes in there. Your miniatures are going to come on sprues, alright? Every one of these little things has like a little number on there, you know, just like when you're building your model cars, model tanks, model planes, and there's only really one way they can kind of go together. Well, not one, but the body pipes and everything. And what I think is cool is on the quote-unquote rules, they give you how to assemble them. Now, the one that, seriously, it really wanted me to come to this one, like I showed you right in the beginning, was just the guy with the mortar, alright? I thought that was cool that you could assemble it, that he's got it on his back and he's running. And the conversion that I have for him in mind is, you remember when I got the two Rexes in, well, I got the version 2 armor Rex head with another one, so I've got a spare, and I'm thinking of putting that head on the mortar dude because it has the little telescoping antenna or whatever. I think that'd be a little bit better for a mortar guy. Just, I don't know, the rangefinder and everything. But yeah, I mean, it looks really, really simple to get it put together, so I'm not really too worried. You know, they're what, 4 or 5 pieces a pop? Okay, that's cool. I'm going to leave them unbased at this moment when I assemble them, simply because I'm not sure the color scheme that I want to go with. Oh, there we go. The color scheme that I'm going to want to go with. Well, I know we're going to do the white and the blue and everything, but I'm talking like for the bases. Are we going to do like a Geonosis base? Or are we going to do like a Woodland base? I'm not sure. So that will come later on. You get all the tokens you need to run that unit, which I think is kind of cool. That unit looks like it's 68 points. So I think that's cool that you get like the little data card. You get a little background info. And you get... great. All the little support cards that you need to go ahead and run that unit. And I think it's cool. You know, they give you the point cost on the bottom there. Like if you want to add the guy that has like, you know, the little Gatling gun, he's 27 points. You know, the mortar trooper's 25. You want to add grappling hooks, that's 3. Impact grenades are 5. You know, gaining them in Overwatch is another 4. I think it's so cool that, of course, I dropped something here. That when you take the tabletop, technically you and your opponent are equal. You have the same amount of points. So it all comes down to your dice rolls and your tactics. Now, for this little upgrade kit, come here. As of Wednesday, May 25th, 2022, it is $29.69. It is Prime 1 day eligible. So I did get mine within 1 day, which sometimes I've seen when they say it's Prime 1 day eligible, you get it like 3-4 days later. Or the ever popular, I've ordered some individual paints, I got them in the mail, and according to Amazon, they're running late and I may be eligible for a refund. I'm like, why? I have them. But still, I don't know, I just wanted to bring this little interesting segment in and go, I like the fact they're selling an upgrade. That way you can bring more firepower to your clone troops. Oh, well, there we go. Okay. And they give you a little bit of rules update on the back, so I'm going to have to save this one. I'm not going to have to toss it after I'm done. I've just got some plans for, like, the leader. I just... There's a lot swimming in my head for conversions and everything else. You will see a future video once these guys have been painted up. Like I've said in other videos, I don't think I have that patience to go through step by step to show you how I'm doing it. I get frustrated with myself at times when I'm just talking to myself and I have to strip a miniature down, so I don't want to go through a whole video then go, oops, strip her down. But still, I know this one's brief. I wanted to keep it brief because, well, I'm not sure what direction my force is going to go. And that's the beauty of these miniatures with the clone troopers. You can paint them however you want to paint them. I mean, you can take that Rex figure and make it your own clone commander in another force. Like Commander Pons, Commander Bly. Can't really do Cody, because Cody used the big long blaster, the long rifle, a lot. He really didn't use the dual pistols like Rex did. Rex made it his thing. But still, before I get off on my total geekdom, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. I also want to ask you guys, hey, if I ever made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do anything during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm, and it's really important to get all this geekdom out there into the, the multiverse. Yes, I'm quoting Marvel with Star Wars and all that fun stuff. Even though, is Star Wars like DC now? Didn't Disney buy DC? I don't know. The rats bought everything. But still. I also want to know down below in the comment section, do you guys play Star Wars Legion? Do you do the clone troops? What upgrades do you do? What forces do you field? Do you have any point lists that you may suggest? Seriously, I really would like to know, because I'm getting into the game. I don't know if it's dead. I don't know if I'm just buying these for the fun of just getting them and painting them. Because like I've said in other videos, I am a long-time Star Wars nerd. Seriously, I am. But on that note, guys, that's my really, really quick look at Star Wars Legion, Phase 2 Clone Troopers Unit Expansion. I want to thank all of you for watching this insanity and, staying with me all throughout these years. It really has meant a lot to me. It seriously, truly has. I'm greatly appreciative of all of you guys. I hope all of you are having a safe day, a great day, and I'll see all of you in our next video.